Hey, so if you're using Calendly with Zoom and you're getting an integration error like no meeting link, failed connection, or sync issues, yeah, don't worry. This is usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Calendly Zoom integration errors in 2026. First thing, go to Calendly integrations and check if Zoom is actually connected. If it shows disconnected, that's the main problem. Next, disconnect and reconnect Zoom. So this refreshes the authentication and fixes most errors. All right, make sure you're signing into the correct Zoom account. I mean, using a different email is a very common mistake. Now open your event type settings. Make sure the meeting location is set to Zoom, not Google Meet or in person. Next, check permissions. So Calendly needs access to create Zoom meetings automatically for you. All right, update your Zoom app and browser. I mean, old versions can cause integration failures. And yeah, do a test booking. Check if a Zoom meeting link is automatically generated in the event. So that's how you fix Calendly Zoom integration errors. Once it's properly connected, every meeting will generate a Zoom link automatically.